How to copy and share Discord link. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today in this video I'm going to show you the ways to copy and share your Discord link. If you want to do it, so then first thing first, you want to go ahead and open up your Discord account. Once logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on the home page, click the profile at the bottom of the page, then click on the gear icon from the top right. Next thing, what you want to do is go ahead and scroll down a bit, go to advanced, and make sure that the developer mode is toggled on or turned on. As you've done that, you need to exit out of this section and go to your home page and open up a chat. Once you open up a chat, then click on the profile at the bottom of the page one more time, and then you should be able to find this three dot icon over here. You just have to go ahead and press that, and you could find the link, or you could just go ahead and copy the link. You could paste it in your notes or any other platform. So this way you could go ahead and copy and share Discord link. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.